In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Notion. Enhancing the security of your online accounts is crucial, and enabling 2FA is a highly effective way to add an extra layer of protection. By setting up 2FA on Notion, you're ensuring that your sensitive information and creative projects are safer from unauthorized access. So let's dive into the steps necessary to secure your account with two-factor authentication. First, you need to open Notion and sign into your account. Ensuring you're logged in is an essential first step, as all subsequent actions require access to your personal account settings. If you aren't already familiar with navigating Notion, don't worry. Once you're inside, everything's straightforward. After signing in, take a look at the sidebar. You should see an option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your Notion account. This section is essential to managing your security preferences, among other settings. Once you're in, you'll want to select the option that says My Account. This leads you to a range of personalization choices specific to your profile. Now, after accessing My Account, you'll need to scroll down to the security section. It's not too far down, but if you're like me and love to explore everything while you scroll, just ensure you don't skip past it. This security section holds the key to your enhanced online protection. In the security section, you'll find an option for two-factor authentication. You might see it abbreviated to 2FA. Look for the button or link that says Enable 2FA, and go ahead and click on this option. This action begins the process of setting up two-factor authentication on your Notion account. Once clicked, be prepared to follow any prompts that appear. Usually, this includes verifying your identity through another method, often via an email or a text message to something you've pre-registered, like your phone number. These verification steps are vital in confirming that it's actually you, and not someone attempting to gain unauthorized access. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties during this process, Notion's Help Center and support documentation can be invaluable resources. They provide further troubleshooting tips and detailed guides on the subject of 2FA. Setting up two-factor authentication on Notion is an effortless way to boost your account security and give you peace of mind. By taking these steps, you've made your digital environment safer and more secure. Thank you for watching, and stay secure out there.